Hey, what is up YouTube? Steven Sparks here today again as always, and today's video will be the 2019 Amazon unboxing review test video for the Benuo wireless smart outlet. As you can see, some of the key features in this one. See, IP44 waterproof, so it's just meant for outdoor usage. It's recommended to mount it above ground, facing in this same direction, the plug side down. Some further specifications: it works with Android and iOS, and the maximum power that this is able to handle is 1875 watts, so this will run things like a pool pump or compressor pumps, anything under 1875 watts or 1.8 kilowatts. Max current 15 amps. This is American, so this is rated at 125 volts. Has a maximum working temperature, as you can see. Pretty decent range. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed. Very simple. You see here, immediately you have your instructions for your setup of the Wi-Fi unit. It's also for your voice control if you choose to do that. I'm not going to get into this on this video. You can check this out for yourself, pick yourself up one. You'll have your own instruction manual to be able to do it. It's not difficult at all, trust me. It's very, very simple. Get this out of the package. You can take a look at the back side of the tablet at first. The same specification ratings, model number, the Benuo logo. You have the waterproof cover in the front on the bottom side. Very, very nice. Seat's nice and snug in there, and you have your relay power switch. You also have some useless plastic that's pre-installed on the 3-prong power plug. So this has it's a grounded plug. So you need to use this into a 3-prong socket, something with ground, where to plug this into. The short length, personally, has never bothered me, since I just have never had issues. This is able to plug into a single outlet and then have a little bit of length extra to mount it up somewhere, or have it just within accessible hand reach, since it's good as a hand remote too, for powering on and off devices for whatever reason, if you need it to be, like compressors, for example. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to stay tuned for the part 2, the inclusion of the power testing, consumption, and smart features of this outlet.